Welcome to a slightly shorter SOL tutorial about modifying your cart. While you are reviewing your order, you might realize that you need more, less, or not need a product anymore. To change the quantity of an order, simply click on the plus or minus buttons next to the product and then click Update. Sometimes you might need to add a note to a product, such as which person wants this or where it should go. Click Add Note and type in what you need, then click Update. Sometimes a promotion will be running that uses a code to activate it. Simply scroll to the bottom of the items and click Enter a promo code, then input the code to update the cart with the promotion. To add another product, click the Keep Shopping, or to finish and process your order, click Continue to Checkout, which we'll look at soon.